The world's longest aircraft, dubbed the Flying Bomb, is set to go into full production to take its first passengers to the skies after successful final tests. It comes after the Airlander 10 prototype was retired after it collapsed and plummeted into a field. Bedford firm Hybrid Air Vehicles has been given production approval from the Civil Aviation Authority (CA), and it is hoped it shall take to the skies by the early 2020s. In 2017, the Airlander 10 hit headlines when the 20-ton aircraft crashed in Cardington, Bedfordshire, and a woman was taken to hospital less than 24 hours after completing its sixth successful test flight. Following the crash, chaos have made a £32 million insurance claim, telling shareholder this was the maximum insured value. Share this article. Share. Now the firm have said they changed their focus and are producing Airline 10 for customers around the world instead of developing prototypes. Stephen McLennan, the firm's CEO, told The Guardian, "Many people ask me this question, when will Airlander be flying again? My answer is this: look for many Airlanders flying again, ready to be delivered to customers and used around the world." After approval, European Aviation Safety Agency and CA, the firm say it is in strong position to launch production.